Welcome to Jammu Links News in Conversation with series. A 13-year-old innovator from Jammu who is passionate about computer programming in computer sciences, technology, mathematics, and engineering. A gamer, a programmer, an app developer at a very young age who developed an app, Raksha, and was honored with the prestigious title Pradhan Mantri Bal Puraskar. Please let us welcome Harmanjot Singh from Jodhamal Public School. Welcome to our show, Harmanjot.
Thank you so much.
How are you feeling? Being the only one selected from Jammu and Kashmir, what is your feelings and how do you feel about it?
It's an immense pleasure for me to receive the Bal Shakti Award 2021 for the innovation category. Well, I did not expect to achieve this award, but now it's a dream come true for me. I'm grateful to the Government of India.
Indeed, it's a moment. Please elaborate a little bit about your e-meeting with our Honorable Prime Minister.
The virtual meeting with the Honorable Prime Minister, sir, was a dream come true for me. It was an immense pleasure that I could interact with the PM, sir. It was an honor for me, even for my parents and the school.
Definitely, it would be a big moment. Please let us know a little bit about your app, Raksha, the Women's Safety app, and how is it useful for our society?
The Raksha Women's Safety app is basically developed to ensure women's safety all around the world and in India. I developed this app based on the idea that nowadays we see a lot of news about women crime, and it makes me feel bad that why that's happening. And also Shri Narendra Modi ji, he is my idol. So seeing him launch a lot of schemes on women empowerment, I also got an idea. My mother motivated me that I should develop an app for the women's safety. So I started developing the app.
That's great. So, how did you develop this interest in coding and developing applications?
Basically, my interest in technology and sciences developed when I was in class 2. I had got my personal desktop computer at that time as a birthday gift. So I had the curiosity that how to operate the system and install new apps, work with them, learn the functions that how to operate those apps. And then I again got that curiosity that how these apps are developed. So I researched and got the answer that these apps are developed using programming languages. So then I started giving cyber Olympiads, international cyber Olympiads, and then I got international rank 1 in national cyber Olympiad last
amazing.
year. So that gave me motivation that I should learn more. I should learn more new skills in technology.
Right.
So during the lockdown time, I started learning programming languages and developed the Women's Safety app.
That's right. That's amazing. How has your school, Jodhamal Public School, helped you in grooming yourself into a great game developer and an app developer?
The school has helped us a lot. My parents also motivated me. Basically, the mentors and teachers at the school always motivated and encouraged me to pursue more competitions, to participate in more competitions, and bring laurels for the country, the UT, and the school as well.
That's right. Would you like to tell us a little bit about more achievements that you have achieved in so far past?
My main academic achievements include achievements in Olympiads. Well, last year I had got international rank 1 in National Cyber Olympiad, as well as I have got international rank 1 in International Mathematics Olympiad. I've even got international rank 2 in National Science Olympiad and have been receiving the Academic Excellence Scholarship of rupees 5,000 from the 2 consecutive years.
So, what are your future plans and what do you see yourself down the line shaping up your careers into?
I want to pursue my passion and ambition in STEM education, as I have won many laurels and awards achievements in this field. So I want to enhance my skills in this field and want to become a data scientist and serve for the nation using my knowledge and skills as Narendra Modi sir does.
That's really nice to know. We have here parents of Harmanjot. Let's talk with them and know a little bit more about it. Welcome to our show, sir.
Thank you so much.
Please tell us, it's a great honor, the moment, a pride moment. Please tell us a little bit your thoughts on it.
We are feeling wonderful. It's a mesmerizing experience to interact with Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and feeling so grateful that he is receiving this prestigious highest civilian honor for children at Rashtrapati Bhavan, and we are really excited to visit Rashtrapati Bhavan, and he will receive this award by Honorable President of India.
That's a great honor.
Yes, indeed, it's a great honor, lifetime achievement award for him. So obviously it will raise his morale to do much more better and exceed in life.
Right. So how are you feeling about it?
It's great privilege for us that we hadn't slept for last 4 to 5 days. So it's very great opportunity for us that is given by Government of India. So I am very thankful to Rashtrapati and thankful to Prime Minister of India. I am speechless now.
Thank you for coming to our show, Harmanjot. We really feel proud of you, a student like you who's brought laurels to our Jammu and Kashmir, and we really wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
It's a pleasure for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Keep watching Jammu Links News in Conversation with series, where we bring you personalities of eminent interest across the state.